Hello today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Bella Base Loafers. These are men's shoes with soft sole. These are shoes for casual shoes, stirrup shoes, comfortable and easy walking, shopping, indoor and outdoor usable shoes here. It's in a different kind of sizes available on the market from 40 over 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 and 46 European size standard. It's available in black, in version black 2. This is a dark gray finish and the black sole, and as you can see here, in gray black. Really cool design. It's a non-slip design. The sole of the made of the e-fur material. That means lightweight and wear resistant with a concave-convex texture that reduces pressure on our feet, and it is comfortable and non-slippable. The whole shoe is super soft as you can see, and it's flexible to protect our feet and improve the stability and of course at the same time the comfort. And it's machine washable. The shoes are made of breathable upper and removable polyurethane insole. That's non-slip sole, which can be conveniently machine washed in cold water. And of course, comfortable, breathable and soft liner pair with exquisite workmanship, and breathable interior to keep the feet fresh and cool, which significantly improve the feeling of the feet and ensures a comfortable fit. And it comes with a pull-on closure type, because these are slip-on shoes. These are typical low lace shoes. The style, which is most commonly seen, known as a loafer, slippers, or the penny loafers in American culture, has a MACHINE construction. One of the first designs was introduced in London by Will Smith Shoes, called the Will Smith Loafers. They began a casual shoe but have increased in popularity to the point of being worn in America with business suites. Another design was introduced as Island Scorn. This is the island shore in Norway, early 20th century. A less casual early type of the slip-on is made with side goring. Sometimes it's called a dress loafer. It's made in the same shape as a lacer-up Oxfords, but lacking the laces. The shoes have elastic inserts on the side which allows the shoe to be easily removed by remaining snug when worn. This cut has its great popularity in Britain. You see, the slip-on shoe is a big player on the planet, on the entire planet. And here, the Bella Base Loafers come to you for summertime, for spring and for fall, and maybe for winter time too. Of course, you wear it in cold area with socks, and in hot areas and hot days without socks, as you can see. We have a slip-on style, easy on and easy off, hands-free or nearly hands-free, slip-free design. Low heel collar, comfortable, close to so we fit, can move freely, and applicability wherever we are walking, with the dog, without the dog, with the cat, with our elephant, or traveling, playing on the beach, shopping, go out with a friend, watching movies, and other indoor and outdoor activities, or outdoor and indoor spaces. These shoes fit perfectly for a simple and stylish daily wear. Oh yeah, these are the Bella Base. So nice. We have a removable polyurethane insole and machine washable design. The leafy shoes are made of breathable upper removable polyurethane insole and a non-slip sole, which can be machine washed for convenience and speed, of course. And it's soft enough to bend. The entire shoe is super soft and flexible to protect our feet and improve the stability and the comfort at the same time. With a soft insole, when we wear this shoe, we feel free and very comfortable thanks to the soft insole, and we will not get tired when we wear it all day long. These are the Bella-based loafers for men's shoes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun.